You know, the number one question I always get is, why do we do controlled burns? The longleaf pine forest, like we have here, you've heard of the rainforest. And just like the rainforest, it needs lots and lots of rain. Well, the southeastern longleaf pine forest, it's a fire forest. It needs fire. It needs fire to grow. It needs fire to be healthy. And a lot of times that sounds a little bit, at odds with one another. How can it grow when it's got fire? Just about every native plant relies on fire in one way, shape, or form. That's why farmers use lots and lots of fertilizer. Well, when we burn, we're turning the other woody material into fertilizer. So plants need sun, water, and food to grow. When we burn up a little bit of stuff, it makes food. It opens up the canopy so it gets more sun, and it reduces competition so there's more food available and more water available. So the orchids, the Venus flytraps, we are in the area that Venus flytraps are native to just this area in the entire world. With 100 miles of Wilmington, we got them right here, but they need lots of sun. Without sun, they get tiny little specks of plants, but you give them a lot of sun and boom, they get really big. Fire in general, it helps with the biodiversity. The plant species in this area in the southeastern United States are what we call fire-dependent species. They need the nutrients recycled, the free fertilizer that comes from burning. Another reason why we like controlled burns, we manage wildfires a lot easier. Plants need water, food, and sun. Well, a fire needs a fuel, it needs heat, and it needs oxygen. So if we do a controlled burn now, we reduce or remove the fuel so that if a wildfire did come through here, it wouldn't burn as intensely, it wouldn't burn as long, it might not even burn at all. Where in the past we have done controlled burns, and then in the spring, in our fire season, the worst time of year that we have here locally for wildfires, we've had fires that start either by lightning strike or somebody playing with matches or something like that, and the fire burns up to where it's already been burned and almost goes out or has gone out entirely before. Some fires that could be really big are much smaller because of controlled burns. We're going to use the wind direction and to a certain extent the relative humidity and the upper level winds, and we're going to only burn when the smoke is going to do what we want it to do. The main way we do that is with smoke management. We like the smoke to go up and start to move downwind. So if the wind is blowing from the southwest, the smoke is going to move to our northeast. Well, we use that knowledge and only burn certain distances away from population centers. Man-made structures, homes, people's buildings, these are part of people's lives. So we really try to impact that as little as possible.